Hello there, welcome back for the second mock review here on my YouTube channel. This time I decided to build an alternate of set 75356, the Executor Superstar Destroyer. When I first bought this set, I was expecting a lot of alternates from the Rebrickable community, but nowadays there are just 5. So then I decided to build the Venator class Star Destroyer made by nickwood5. I decided to build this MOC because it looks quite interesting and the instructions are also free. Let's have a look at the profile of nickwood5. It seems that he didn't care so much about his profile and he has only 2 MOC. So let's have a look at the Venator. For who don't know, I will assign a score to this MOC at the end of the video, exactly like my first video review. If you miss it, go and check it out. Let's begin the review with fidelity. The Venator Star Destroyer appears for the first time in Star Wars Episode 3, The Revenge of the Sith, and immediately becomes one of the most iconic Star Wars ships of the prequel trilogy. If we look at the model from the front, is it possible to recognize immediately the shapes of the Venator? Is it possible to see that Venator possesses some red markings? Unfortunately, set 75356 doesn't have any red part that can be used for this purpose. From the side view, it looks very nice and the proportions are respected very well. From the back view, the story changes. The engines are clearly too small and there are only 3 engines for each side of the ship, while the original model has 4. But again, I would like to remind you that this is an alternative model, and you do not have the full parts inventory to use. This means that you have to sacrifice some details to obtain a good result. I consider a total of 4 stars for fidelity. 5 stars in stability without any doubt. I assigned 3 stars to the instructions mainly for 2 reasons. The first, that is not very important, that they haven't an introduction page or any kind of personalization. And the second is that there are 317 pages, too many steps, and too many steps have only one brick to be attached, and this is very annoying during the search and sorting process. However, they are clear, and the quality of the images is also very high. Like the previous MOC, this model is intended to be exposed and not played. You can even swoosh around without a problem, because the support is firmly attached to the model. For models that are made just for display, I will always assign 2 stars. I assigned 4 stars in fidelity, 5 in stability, 3 in instructions quality and 2 in playability, for a total of 14 stars. In conclusion, I'm satisfied with the building experience of this MOC and I suggest you to build it and even modify it with some red details like some Rebrickable users already did. The next MOC review will be another Star Wars ship. If you have some particular request, please write in the comment, and if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe.